Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Capital One app for setting transfer alerts to exchanges step by step clearly. Open your mobile device. Navigate to the App Store on your device. For iOS users, this is the App Store. For Android users, go to the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Capital One. Press the search icon. Locate the Capital One app from the search results. Check the app details to ensure it is the official Capital One app. Tap the download or install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, open the Capital One app. If prompted, allow the app to access necessary permissions. Log in using your Capital One account credentials. If you do not have an account, select the option to create a new account. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings menu within the app. Look for an option related to alerts or notifications. Select the Alerts option to customize your preferences. Find the section for transfer alerts specifically. Enable the Transfer Alerts feature. Customize the alert settings to your liking, including frequency and method of notification. Save your changes. You're now set up to receive transfer alerts to exchanges. Close the app and check back for alerts as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.